Before money existed, buying a cow required finding someone who wanted your fish, who also happened to be selling a cow at the exact same time. Sound impossible? Welcome to the nightmare of ancient trade. Imagine you're a fisherman in 8000 BC. You've got fish. You need grain. But the grain farmer doesn't want fish, he wants pottery. The potter doesn't want grain, she wants animal skins. This is the coincidence of wants problem, and it nearly broke early civilization. So, ancient people tried the obvious solution: direct barter. You trade what you have for what you need. Simple, right? Wrong. Imagine trying to buy a house by trading chickens. How many chickens is a house worth? 300? 3,000? And who wants 3,000 chickens at once? Plus, your fish are rotting while you search for the exact person who wants them. By day 3, you're giving away your catch just to avoid starvation. Then someone had a genius idea. What if we all agree one thing has value, even if we don't personally need it right now? Enter commodity money. Objects everyone accepted because everyone else accepted them. Salt preserved food. Romans literally paid soldiers in salt. That's where the word salary comes from. Cowrie shells. Small, portable, pretty, and rare enough to have value. Used for 4,000 years across 3 continents. Cattle. The original liquid asset. You could literally walk your wealth to another village. The word capital comes from capita, meaning head of cattle. But it gets weirder. Because humans will agree anything is money if it solves their problems. The island of Yap used limestone discs up to 12 feet wide, too heavy to move, so they just verbally agreed who owned which stone. Aztecs used cacao beans. Yes, chocolate was literally money. Imagine spending your savings on a meal, then eating your savings. Medieval Russia used squirrel pelts. Inflation meant finding more squirrels. Deflation meant a lot of warm hats. Italian banks still accept Parmesan cheese as loan collateral. 300,000 wheels worth $500 million sit in bank vaults right now. Your cheese could be earning interest. But here's the thing. All these systems were terrible. Problem 1. Indivisibility. You can't split a cow in half for a small purchase. Well, you can, but only once. Problem 2. Perishability. Fish rot. Grain spoils. Even squirrel pelts decay. You couldn't store wealth long term. Problem 3. Portability. Try traveling with your life savings in cattle. Cows don't fit in your pocket, and they have opinions about long-distance travel. And problem 4. The valuation nightmare. How many chickens equal 1 goat? How many goats equal 1 cow? How many cows equal a house? Every transaction required complex mathematics. So around 600 BC, the kingdom of Lydia, modern-day Turkey, tried something revolutionary. Tiny, standardized pieces of precious metal. Coins. Same size, same weight, same value, stamped with a government guarantee. For the first time, you didn't need to weigh, test, or negotiate every single transaction. Trade went from a nightmare to easy. The idea spread faster than any technology in ancient history. Within 2 centuries, coins reached China, India, and Europe. Here's what's fascinating. We're watching the same pattern repeat today. Bitcoin emerged in 2009 to solve digital trade problems, just like coins solved physical trade problems. Before Bitcoin, sending money online required trusted middlemen, fees, and delays. The coincidence of wants problem, digital edition. Now, programmers trade value instantly with someone in Japan they've never met. No banks, no borders, no cow-carrying requirements. Shells to coins took 4,000 years. Coins to paper took another 2,000. Paper to digital took 50. Each transition, faster, weirder, and more controversial. So what's the lesson from 10,000 years of trade? Money isn't real. It never was. Whether it's shells, rocks, paper, or blockchain data, money is just a shared hallucination we all agree to believe in. The real magic isn't what money is. It's that we convinced billions of humans to believe in the same hallucination at the same time. Ancient people thought shells were obvious. We think paper bills are obvious. Our grandkids will think we were using something bizarre. Next video, we'll explore the first real coins, how one ancient kingdom in 600 BC changed civilization forever with tiny pieces of metal. You won't believe what they were made of. Hit subscribe to see how shells became silver, and silver became, well, everything. See you in the next one.